the foggy.
Actually, the camera doesn't even do it justice. How foggy it is. Good morning. It is first full day at my uncle's. Mom and Dad got kayaks, so we are gonna head out on the kayaks, me and Dad, and Damien and Kyle are gonna stay here and see what they can get up to. So Mom and Dad got kayaks. This is what they look like. So we loaded them up. We're gonna take them on the water. So it's just off the highway. And there's a couple cars parked down here, but you launch.
Well, the guy shouldn't have his car parked there.
Yeah, that's a little stupid area to park.
There's lots of parking everywhere else.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think, if I know, this one's mine, she said, right? So we'll take that out.
Mine, hers, mine.
Huh?
Mine, hers, mine.
Well, the foot pedal thing
are adjusted.
So you'll have to change hers.
I don't know, we're about to sleep late.
Huh?
But our torsos.
Oh, you'll have to adjust it, but you can adjust it when you're sitting in there. You can put it up there if you can reach it. I can't reach it, so I don't put mine in.
Okay, then I'll wait.
I put mine in with me. Oh, you know what I could do? I thought about last time, and I didn't do it because we're already on our way back.
Oh, should I back in there or park up top? Your ass is too big. Wow, she shinks.
Yeah, all you do is, yeah, I know. I heard that.
Oh, you've heard that before, did you? I can't handle it. Did I lock my truck?
I don't know. I think you did.
No, I did. We good?
There we go.
Uh-huh.
I'm all situated. See?
I don't think I'll use the foot thingies.
Huh? You will want to.
Eventually.
I change up.
Yeah.
Like I put them in between. I do whatever it takes to. Okay, so you want to go right around and then we'll go through.
Sure. Most of Canada is this.
Well, prairies are pretty big too though. Most of Ontario is this, I guess.
Oh, that'll give you an arm workout.
What?
One-handed paddle. So there's little campsites over here that Mom and Dad found. I'll get up there and show you. Yeah, you were saying that.
You can see the white seats down there. We never got out and checked it out.
No.
It's too hard to get out.
It's too hard to film and kayak at the same time. The wind is pushing in this way anyways.
I'm just saying, we take the bucket.
Yeah. There's a little swing. Little fire pit. Oh, someone's over there. There's a hammock.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. Someone made a little table. Only this one's a little rotted, I guess. Huh. Damien would freaking love this.
Oh, yeah. See, that's the big one. That's the one I would want to go with you guys.
Yeah.
It's that one where the hammock's big.
Huh.
It's a nice spot.
Well, that's why. Holy. At least they face the toilet seat to the view. No. Huh. I see a couple spots you could hang a hammock. We have all our backpacking. Ooh. Too cold now. Too cold now at night. Yeah. Yeah. And we died. It was bad. It was 2 degrees the other night. Not sure I'd trust that, but cool. Alright, we've stopped on this little sandy patch here. And this is all marsh behind us. We were over there. And it shows on the map that this is all water, but probably in the springtime it's all water. Right now, it's definitely not. But there's people camping just up here. So this is all crown land. They have a little canoe. They got a baby. They were standing on a big rock. It's cute. Scary, but cute.
Dangerous, really.
Yeah. Look at the string, or a cobweb. You can see it glistening. Look it. Do you see it?
No.
It's floating.
It's floating.
In the air. Oh, it's gone. Well, we're soaked.
Of course we are.
No, we didn't fall in.
Tip and splash me.
Yep. So much for my dry stray hair. Now I should just go swimming.
Yeah.
You want help? Oh.
Come on.
Just fall out.
I just get it on the shore.
Yeah, right. Okay. Which kayak is more full of water? I was sitting in a puddle. Well then, Kyle just got home. Come here. What did you get?
Man, this is rare.
Wow.
That's what we found. We got 2 more. We got 1 more.
Next time you give me equipment, make sure that
It was literally right beside it.
Look at that. 2 good ones.
What?
What did you spend?
Oh, yes.
They're like $2.
Oh.
Not even. So we've got matching ones, so I got one too.
And what about Mommy? Did you buy Mommy something?
No. You have to go and get your own.
So you got ice cream and you got pretty rocks and pretty necklaces?
Pumpkin.
I got a pumpkin one, the new pumpkin ice cream. I found it all for you.
So much.
Thank you. Okay, goodbye.
And you have a block, so.
Yeah, I don't need the block even if I was to charge it on the thing.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye, I love you.
He's going home. He's got to work tomorrow.
Just text me whatever you need, because I'm back. I know olive oil, but...
He's going with him. Take his tires back. Because my uncle has a tire changer in there. So he changed his rims, or cleaned up his rims and changed his tires and... What?
Nothing secret anymore.
Anyways, Dad is going home with Kyle. I'm bringing, because you can see both of our trucks are here. So he's going to get Mom's car.
I don't think I left anything, so I have everything I need. So.
Okay, well I'll be home Sunday if Goodbye. Drive careful. Now that Kyle is gone home, I'm going to end this vlog here and end our camping trip. I'm going to be here tomorrow, and the next day I go home is Sunday. So it's just us, and Damien has school, and then karate actually starts back up on Monday. So I'm gonna end this vlog here and end this series here. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We enjoyed this camping trip. We really needed it just to get away and indulge in some good food and drinks and just relaxation and some new things. So again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and we will see you next time. Bye guys.